Hi, you're welcome to Curiosity TV. Today, I have a wonderful platform I will be showing you. You won't believe this. This platform, I've been working on it, and I've also trained people to work on this platform. They have started earning a little paper income for themselves. My colleagues have received $5, $10, up to $20 on this platform. Although it might be small, but it also goes a long way. This is a legit platform, but you won't believe the amount you can earn on this platform. It's limit. It's more than just. Let's look at Getty from Great Britain. You can see the amount he earned. He earned $250. Chan also earned $110 on the 22nd, 3rd, 2022. Sony also earned $65. Jafar also earned $85. So that's how it works on this platform. What is the job of this platform? The job worst is to just click on an ad. For every ad you click, they are going to give you 0.01 cent. 0.01 cent. So imagine they giving you up to 12, 13, 11, 10 ads in a day. See, you can earn up to $0.11 in a day. But let me show you my own account overview for you to verify that truly I'm also working on this platform. I've also arrived at something to reckon with. Still loading. Very sorry. You can see account balance currently I have 37.05 on this account, and very soon I would reach the requested threshold. The job given today was $0.04, but I've already done it. So if you wanted to see the job given, you can click on this PPC ads. Once you click on it, it's going to pop up some ads for you to click. You can see, well done, you finished the ads available for silver membership. Come back tomorrow. You can see. So if I wanted to click on another, I can upgrade to their other members, such as gold member and also platinum member. But platinum member is not allowed in my country. That is why I have to skip. But gold member is allowed. So that's just it. Other alternate way you can also earn on this platform is through invite or referral. If you refer people to this platform, you will be paid how much? 0.08 cents. 0.08 cents on this platform. 0.08 cents. Just by referring people to this beautiful platform. So that is how it works. And other alternate way is that once you upgrade and the person you refer also upgrade down to gold, they are going to pay you $5. That is, once you refer people and the person you refer upgrades its account to gold membership or platinum member, they are going to pay you $5 or $10. That's how it works on this platform. So this platform only requires patience. It only requires patience before you can start withdrawing. So it's a United Kingdom platform. Just a click per pay on action given. Click on an ad, then you'll be given 0.01 cent. That is how it works on this platform. Kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I dropped awesome video just like this. Thanks.